Hi all, welcome all of you in SEO series. My name is Nareen from Learn Digital Academy, and today we are going to start about keyword research. That what is keyword, how we can finalize the keyword for our website, and how we can implement the keyword in the website, and how we can rank it. All these things we are going to understand in this one and this video series. Let's see that what are the keyword first. Let's go to next slide. Okay. What is keywords? Generally, whenever you go to google.com, when you're looking for some products, where you will type some keywords and then website will come up. So when you are typing something on Google, those things we call it keywords, because maybe it's a queries, it's a questions, it's a one word, it's a two words. Those things we call it keyword only. For example, keywords are the words and phrases that people type into search engine to find out what they are looking for. So whatever you are typing in google.com, maybe I'm going to google.com, I'm typing best TV for home, so it's a keyword, and after this only Google will give websites related to these keywords. So for example, if you are looking for buy a new jacket, you might type something like men's leather jacket. That's a keyword for your website. So when you are selling a leather jacket in your website, you will use this kind of keyword so that you can rank your pages. So that's what we call keyword. What is keyword? That's a keyword simply. Now, before doing a keyword research, and why we should do keyword research, the thing is once you are creating a website, you will create different pages. Maybe let's say you are creating 3 pages, and you are selling 3 jackets, like one's for children, another is for women's, the last one is for men's. So you have 3 pages. Now you want to rank the men's jacket page. So you will put some content in men's jacket page. You will write some information, you will upload some images. Now you want to rank this particular page, but the thing is on which keyword you will rank it. So you will be confused. Maybe people will type, maybe you can rank it on men's leather jacket, best men's leather jacket. You can rank it on free quality leather jacket for men's, and you can type affordable leather jackets. So there are a lot of different type of keywords on that you can rank it, but the thing is on all the keywords you cannot rank it. It's very difficult on initial stage. So that's why we have to do keyword research. Once you finalize the keyword, on that keyword only we will rank our pages. So let's see, before you start the keyword research, what we need to consider. First of all, identify your product and services. What you are doing, you are selling some products or you are providing some services. So that you need to identify, and then only you will create a keyword list. Next one is identify your brand value. Do you want to add your brand name in your keyword, or you don't want to add it? If you are a very good company, if you have some products in your brand, definitely you can use the brand name. Identify your competition. Definitely it's very important. Why? Because without having knowledge of competition, on which keyword they are ranking, what they are doing, you cannot rank. It will be difficult for you to rank higher than your competition. So find out your competition first and check out what keyword they are using in their websites. Then identify your target market, whom you want to sell it. Are you providing luxury projects, or maybe you are selling luxury jackets, you are selling affordable jackets, cheap jackets, or which kind of jackets you are selling. So what is your target market? You need to decide it first, and then you will write your keywords in your website. The last one is identify your potential products. So whom do you want to sell it? What is your potential products? Maybe let's say I have 1000 products in my website, but 1000 products I don't want to rank it because it will take some time. So what I can do, I can take few products which is very important for me, and on those particular product I will rank the pages, and I will finalize the keyword research. I will finalize 2 keyword or 3 keyword, and that keyword I'll implement in the pages and I'll rank it. So there are some process available. All the process we need to consider it, and then we have to finalize the keywords. Let's see some type of keywords. What are the types of keywords we have it? So first one is product and service keywords. So if you are providing services, or maybe you are providing products, selling the products, you can create keyword like digital marketing training. It's a service based product. Maybe you can write over here interior designing services in Bangalore, in Delhi, in Mumbai. So these are service kind of products. If you are selling products like best TV online, best mobile online, these are product based keywords. Then we have brand keyword. Brand keyword means you will write your brand name, maybe Amazon TV under 10,000 rupees, something like this. TV under 10,000 rupees from Amazon. So Amazon name is coming up, it means brand name is coming up. If your company is very bigger one, you can use your brand name also. Modifier keywords. Modifier means some words you will use in front of your main important keyword. Like my main important keyword is digital marketing training. But the thing is, some people use top digital marketing training, some people use best digital marketing training, some people use free digital marketing training. So these words like top, best, free, download, learn, all this kind of words, we call it modifier keywords. Geographic keywords, in which you will gonna use some location that we call geographic keyword, like digital marketing training in Bangalore. It's a geographic keyword because Bangalore is coming up in this one. Then we have demographic keywords. Digital marketing training for business, because it's for business, it's a demographic, it's defining that it's for business only. Call to action button. So we are telling all the users through this keyword like learn digital marketing. We provide training and you can learn it. Maybe you can write over here download digital marketing training course or free digital marketing training course. So call to action, people will take an action on this one. The second last is educational keywords. The keyword which gives the information, which gives the educational information like how to do digital marketing training. The last one is B2B keywords, means that related to business only, like digital marketing training for corporates, digital marketing training for colleges, like this. So these are business to business keywords. So these are keyword types. These are very important. Now let's see how we can identify the keywords. So we have three stages of keywords, like three parts of keywords. First we have modifier like top, best or brand name you can add geographic location and call to action, educational. Then core keywords, core keyword that defines your main important services. Then post keyword that can define demographic, geographic and call to actions. So now let's see the example for this. So like for example, leather, ladies, men's, plastic, durable, business. These are pre-words. So if my keyword is bags and if I'm selling bags, so I can use leather bags for leather bags provided, leather bags for men, leather bags for women, leather bags in India, leather bag experts, leather bags in Bangalore. So there are a lot of combinations are coming up. It's not like only you have one keywords. Then we have ladies baggage, men's case. Then we have plastic bags, plastic baggages in Bangalore, plastic baggages factory. What do you want to use? So you can create a combination and you can take a keyword for your websites. So these are the example to find out your keywords. And the last option is find your keywords. So as I've given an example, like what we need a keyword for our page. If you have a page and in which page you are providing leather jacket information, so there are a lot of keywords for the leather jacket. Best leather jacket, top leather jacket, expensive leather jacket, or maybe cheap leather jacket, affordable leather jacket for men's, leather jacket for men's online, something like this. So there are a lot of keywords, but I cannot take all the keywords for my page. So I can take only 2 to 3 keywords. That is very good for initial stage. So 2 keywords, how can I find out amongst all the keywords? So first of all, generate a list of most important keywords for your web page. So what are the most important keywords? Create a list. Like just now I told you, 7 to 8 keywords I have it. You can take around 20 keywords for your page, just for one page. And remember that keyword should be related to your page. Use tool to find out relevant keyword. Definitely you can see that keyword that it's relevant to your page or not. It's not like it says leather jackets for women and you are sending them to men's page. It's not good. So always find out the relevant keyword. Check the search volume of each keyword. What is the search volume? Means how many people search for the particular keyword. Maybe most of the people, they type top leather jackets. Nobody type free leather jacket. Nobody type affordable leather jackets. So that time we cannot use the search volume. We need to find out the search volume only, because how many people type, the maximum people type some keyword, those keyword will be good for us. It can give more traffic to us. Check the competition of each keyword as I already discussed. Finalize 2 to 4 keywords for your web page. This is very important. Finalize only 2 to 3 keywords for your website, or maximum 4 keywords for your website. When I say website, it means web page, because each page will rank in Google. Now let's see the practical part, that how we finalize the keyword for our website. Let's go and finalize the keywords.